Today we're looking at another Cabela's light. This is the CTL300R. Here's the packaging for it. It comes in a kind of cool little plastic box. It's tempting to try to take the top off, but the bottom is the part that easily comes off. USB-C rechargeable. And the CTL300R, they're calling this a tactical pen light at 300 lumens. Up to 300 lumen high output LED, small compact pen size for pocket everyday carry. Self-defense tactical bezel, built-in USB-C rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Strong acrylic glass lens, durable matte black, hard anodized finished, aerospace grade aluminum housing. 75 yards, runtime hours 1.25 and 4 hours on low. 3 modes, high, low, and strobe. The light cannot be turned on when the power is lower than 10%, which effectively means it's at 0%. That's some strange voodoo math there. It feels strong, but it does feel light. You twist this out, so you twist that out and you reveal the charging port there. It does have a very solid clip there, and again, kind of a miss with the clip. It's going the wrong direction for a hat clip for me. One of these days I'll find one that has the double clip on it where you can clip in both directions. It's just a tiny extra piece of metal that they could add on here and it would be real helpful. As is, again, you clip this onto a hat and wrong direction. There's that tactical bezel on the top. It does come with this strap too. Maybe there's a better way to put this strap on, but that's where I've got it for now, just right there on the clip. Kind of works out because you can hold the light and then have the strap on your wrist. So when you're doing this half press, you're going to want to hold down the half press. If that's the mode you want, let's say I want it to strobe, I'm half pressing once, half pressing twice, half pressing 3 times, and I'm still holding it half pressed, and then completely press and it will stay in that mode. Or you can just click through them. I'm fully pressing every time now. Let's look at the dimensions of this light. 4 1/4 inches in length, almost exactly ½ an inch on the width in that direction, that is the diameter of the flashlight. If you extend the light out to reveal the charging port, it's going to be 5 inches. This clip here, just if you're wondering, is almost exactly 2 inches, just a little bit under. Great option if you don't want to spend $89 on a flashlight. This one is $30 or so, $25 to $30. Prices do vary sometimes. There's a few more facts and figures for the electronics folks in the crowd. It does have a hot indicator, so that must get a little warm at least. Should take around 2.5 hours to charge fully. Let's go to the testing. We're back in the spooky shed. Here is the CTL300R at 9 feet. Very, very bright. It does get warm, I am noticing, in the front, just like it said it would. It doesn't take very long. That's a little bit lower light there. And the other thing I noticed was that if you thread out to expose the charging port, it also is zooming this light in. This thing's actually really bright and really small and much cheaper than the Streamlight that I got, the XT. It is getting a lot warmer. Streamlight, I never noticed any heating problems at all. It's just thicker stuff on the outside. But if you're trying to save a lot of money, this thing is pretty bright. The light for the charging is actually on the side right there on the charging port. It's just white right now. When you are charging it, it will be red if it needs to continue charging and green when it's done. Still a really, really cool little light.